Hey guys, please excuse the nastiness that is my car, but I did watch a couple videos on how to replace the latch that lets down the back seat on an XC60. I guess it might be the same way on some of the smaller or larger SUVs from Volvo, but this is Volvo XC60. My model year is a 2013. Anyway, the clips right here broke off, just completely broke off. And at first I was thinking, well, I would try to save this. These things are about 11 bucks, so not very expensive. But let me show you what kind of condition they're in. I did end up breaking it. I thought, yeah, I don't want to save it because it is super brittle. So just a flaw of the Volvos. I imagine that if your lever here is snapped off, then those are also going to be brittle, so I'm not going to try to save the lever. But a couple things. I was having a problem getting the back seat to fold forward in the first place. Let me show you. So right here you can see how that clip is broken off. I could let down the headrest, but even that clip's probably going to break soon. But anyway, this clip wasn't broken on the other one. It was this one that was broke, but there's no way to get in there that I could see and pull something that would allow that to release. So I kept tinkering around with it and think I found a way. Hopefully I'll be able to do this the same as I did the other side. I'm going to try to do here what I did on the other side. It did work. Taking a screwdriver, I tilt it this way, put it up above the latch, and shove it in. Go ahead and twist it around to this direction, and there's a mechanism in there that you should be able to lever on and pull it up and push the seat forward, and it should release. Well, I'm going to get this plastic out of the way. You can see how brittle this is, just breaking right off. Oh, it just released. There we go. Well, I've got to admit, I was a little bit worried there that it wasn't going to release, but it did finally catch. You just have to kind of jimmy it around until it finally gets in that little slot, and pulling it up and down, and it'll release a little bit. You'll feel it release, and you can go ahead and push the seat forward. And you can't save any of this crap. Just have to release these two screws here, and there's a little mechanism in here that you're going to have to mess with. That's the most difficult part, other than getting the seat to flip forward. I've got a little star wrench here. I don't know the size. That's all that's holding that in. But be careful, because you do have get all this carpet out of here. It just comes off. You can see how that's hooked on. You got two places right here that needs to come this way, and right there needs to go back that direction, and it'll come off of there. Let's see if I can do this with y'all watching. There we go. You can see the two place attachment spots. I'm going to try using a screwdriver this time. It might be a little easier. I just did it with my fingers last time, but I'm kind of thinking it's right here. Might work, it might not. Nope. There we go. It did work. And it comes right off. And we're free. Just take the carpet off. That pull it, and it releases. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this in. Go. I'm going to get this latched. Had a little bit of a hard time with this last time. Hopefully I can do it better my second time around. But I'm going to pull this and hook it. There we go. There we go.